The Whispering Chalkboard. Chapter 1. The Message That No One Wrote. The morning bell rang at Pinewood Elementary, and the students of Room 12 tumbled into class as usual. Backpacks thudded against the floor, pencils rolled across desks, and friends whispered about weekend plans. But when Lena, the new girl who always sat quietly in the back, walked in, something impossible happened. The old green chalkboard at the front of the room, dusty from years of neglect since the school got smart boards last year, suddenly shivered. Then in slow, shaky letters, words began to appear all by themselves. "Help me." The class fell dead silent. "No way," muttered Jake, the class clown, his eyes wide. "Miss Patel, you doing some kind of projector trick?" Their teacher, Miss Patel, looked just as stunned. I didn't do that." Then more words formed underneath. "Only Lena can hear me." All heads turned to Lena, who clutched the edges of her desk, her face pale. Chapter 2. The Hidden Voice. At recess, while the other kids ran outside, Lena stayed behind, staring at the chalkboard. "Who are you?" she whispered. The chalk dust swirled, and new words appeared. "I am not a ghost. I am a forgotten promise. Find the time capsule behind the wall." Lena's breath caught. There were rumors about a time capsule hidden when the school was built, 50 years ago, but no one knew where it was. She needed help. At lunch, she pulled aside two classmates. Mira, who noticed everything. "The wall near the bookshelf sounds hollow when you knock," she said. Diego, who was tall enough to reach the loose ceiling panel above it. With a creak, the panel came off, revealing a small, rusted metal box covered in dust. Chapter 3. The Broken Friendship. Inside the time capsule, they found a faded black and white photo of two girls grinning, arms around each other. Written on the back, "Sarah and Ellie, best friends forever, 1973. A note in looping handwriting. "We promise to never let anyone sit alone at lunch, ever." A tiny broken friendship bracelet, its threads frayed. The chalkboard glowed faintly, and new words appeared. "Ellie broke our promise. She stopped sitting with me. I ate alone every day. Words hurt. Fix it." Lena's chest ached. Sarah's sadness had somehow stayed trapped here for decades. Chapter 4. The New Promise. The next morning, Lena stood in front of the class and told them everything. Jake frowned. "Wait, so the chalkboard's like haunted by some kid who ditched at lunch?" "It's not haunted," Mira corrected. "It's remembering." Miss Patel nodded. Sarah's feelings were so strong that they stayed, and now she's asking us to do better. The class made a plan. A buddy seat at lunch. An open spot where anyone could join. A new time capsule with their own promises inside. As they sealed the new capsule behind the wall, the chalkboard shimmered one last time. "Thank you." Then with a soft whoosh, the words faded for good. The lesson? Kindness lasts longer than you think. A small promise can mean everything. Words have powers. They can hurt or heal, even years later.